Hey there, crypto enthusiast. Welcome back to Credit. I'm Krishna Sharma, and today we are embarking on a deep dive into the extraordinary realm of Binance Coin. You can also say BNB. This is also famous. This is name BNB. If you appreciate deep insights into the crypto world, smash that like button, subscribe, and share your thought in the comment. Now let's unravel the story of BNB. So we have today some amazing questions which from we can understand about BNB. So our first question is, what is Binance Coin? So, Binance Coin launched in July 2017. Binance is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it's global financial powerhouse. Binance Coin or BNB, it's not just a digital currency, it's a heartbeat of entire Binance ecosystem. More than binary finance, it symbolizes the evolution of finance in the digital age. Join me as we uncover the layers of significance woven into BNB's DNA. So we have second question, founder and vision. So at the helm of Binance is Changpeng Zhao, the visionary founder and CEO. Alongside him is co-founder Hai Ying. You can also say HEYI, a strategic mind that has helped shape Binance into the behemoth it is today. So, it started as a crypto exchange in 2017. Binance has grown into a comprehensive ecosystem, aiming to be the infrastructure services provided from the entire blockchain world. So, let's explore the visionary mind behind BNB. So, what makes BNB unique? Binance's uniqueness lies into not only its sheer size as the largest crypto exchange globally, but in its relentless pursuit of development. From its origin as a simple exchange, Binance has evolved into a multi-faceted ecosystem. It encompasses Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, and research project. But what about BNB's macro rise in value? What are the distinctive features that set it apart? Let's delve into the enhance of BNB's uniqueness. So here we have BNB's Autobahn and measures. BNB unique approach to tokenism in, involves periodic coin burns, creating a deflating effect. Innovative like BEP 95 have enhanced BNB's deflationary nature, drawing inspiration from Ethereum EIP 1559 in the face of challenges. BNB has displayed resilience evident in its continuous growth. So, next we have circulation and investment of BNB. With an initial maximum supply of 200 million BNB, the circulating supply currently stands at 168,135,036. Binance conduct qualitative burns, aiming to reduce the total supply by half. These burns have become a significant events, impacting BNB's value and capturing investor interest. Join me as we explore the circulation dynamic of BNB and access its investment potential. So, what is security mechanism of BNB? Security is paramount in the crypto world, and BNB has evolved its security mechanism, initially an ERC20 token on Ethereum. BNB transitions to its own blockchain secured by the Terramint BFT. Sonkinsen's mechanism. Understanding this security mechanism is crucial to grasping how BNB ensure the integrity and security of its network. So, where to buy BNB? Excited to dive into the BNB community. The primary and easiest way to acquire BNB is through Binance itself. With a plethora of trading pairs, Binance offers the most convenience for BNB purchases. Stay tuned for live market update on BNB. Now let's wrap up our immersive journey into the world of Binance Coin. So, as we conclude our exploration of Binance Coin, I hope you have gained not just insight but a deeper appreciation for the backbone of the Binance ecosystem. If you found this video enlightening, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more crypto deep dives. So, I am Krishna Sharma from Credit signing off.